Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to macOS user account with Touch ID, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to your macOS user account using Touch ID, begin by ensuring your Mac. Check the Touch ID button, typically located on the keyboard or the power button, to verify its presence. Next, confirm that Touch ID is set up on your device. Open System Preferences by clicking the Apple logo on the top left of your screen. Find and select the Touch ID option from the System Preferences menu. If Touch ID is not yet set up, select the Add a Fingerprint button. Follow the on-screen instructions to place your finger on the Touch ID sensor. Lift and rest your finger repeatedly, allowing the sensor to register the unique patterns of your fingerprint. Once the fingerprint has been successfully added, you can enable Touch ID for various features. These features include unlocking your Mac, Apple Pay, and iTunes or App Store purchases. With Touch ID set up, lock your Mac to test the authentication process. Press Ctrl plus Command plus Q to lock your screen quickly. Once your Mac is locked, tap the Touch ID button with the registered finger. You should see your Mac unlock if the fingerprint matches. Make sure you are using the same finger you registered for the Touch ID feature. If you encounter issues, revisit the system preferences and try re-adding your fingerprint. For added security, consider registering multiple fingers in the Touch ID settings. Remember to keep your finger clean and dry for the best results. Touch ID can greatly enhance the convenience and security of accessing your macOS user account. Now you know how to authenticate to your macOS user account with Touch ID effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.